Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. First of all, just open one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen, like Play Store. Then you need to open it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this square button. Now tap on the icon of your app and select split screen. Lastly, click on Home button and tap on the other app, like Chrome. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!